Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make these super yummy Levain style matcha cookies. So first, we'll need 130 grams of unsalted butter straight out of the fridge and making sure it's cold. We'll chop the butter into small cubes like so, and we'll place them into a large mixing bowl. Now let's add in 40 grams of caster sugar and 50 grams of brown sugar. And we'll mix them together. Don't worry too much if your mixture isn't looking very smooth right now. It is completely normal. Then we'll add our egg and mix them together again. So now we'll add in our dry ingredients. First, we've got 70 grams of cake flour and 150 grams of all-purpose flour. Then also add in 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now, of course, we'll need to add in 3 teaspoons of matcha powder as well. Mix until everything kind of sticks together in a large dough form. And it's time to add in our white choc chips. Before we start baking, we'll need to chill the dough for around 30 to 45 minutes in the fridge, or alternatively, you could put it in the freezer to save time. So let's start prepping them for baking. Each cookie will be weighed around 95 to 97 grams. Remember not to roll the dough into a ball shape because we want to keep the chunky Levain look. Preheat the oven to 210 degrees and we'll bake these for around 12 to 14 minutes. So when you bring them out of the oven, they might feel a little bit soft to touch, so we have to cool them down on a cooling rack before we start eating. And hi, this is me doing a taste test for you guys. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you want to try making these delicious cookies. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!